Alright, my box has arrived. You watch, people. It's a Casio A168WEGB. It's a mouthful, and I'm gonna get it open. Pretty happy about this. I love the one A158, and now here is an A168. So let's get this thing opened as fast as I can. Alright, so we finally got this thing opened. So again, it's a Casio A168WEGB. This is how it arrives in basically a plastic bag, but I'm sure some of them come in a little bit like a case. I just bought this. This was bought from eBay. So as you open it up, it's got a tag, set of instructions. It's a module 3298. It's got it in quite a few different languages. Tells you how to adjust the strap. It's got a warranty card, which hasn't been filled in. That's all good. It's got a tag on there. Looks pretty good. Pretty impressed. Get this plastic off. Pretty shiny face, actually. Yeah. The finish on it's really good. It's got a negative display, but still quite clear. It's got a black band and a stainless steel case back. So that's pretty interesting. Quite a few colours on there. You got a stainless steel back, a resin case, steel bracelet, but in black. Overall, it's looking quite good. Pretty happy with that. The face looks really nice, actually. The thickness of the watch, a little bit thicker than a 158, but still quite thin. The band looks pretty good. It's got a stainless steel band and clasp. So looking forward to wearing this one. So if you're interested in this one, this little Casio, gotta check it out. There you have it. So really looking forward to this, and it'd be good to compare this to another kind of watch. Something that I've been wearing for quite a few years. So compare that to a G-Shock. It actually looks a lot smaller, but it doesn't look small.
Oh,
if that makes sense.
Usually it's the skin that's better.
It doesn't look small at all. G-Shocks are generally, larger, bulkier type watch. Even though this G-Shock 5600 is a little bit different. So, when you put it on the wrist, that's the real test. So it do look different. It does look a lot smaller in comparison, but it's bigger than a 158. This 168. I think it looks quite nice. I'm happy with it. It's as good as I thought it was going to be. So there you have it. Casio A168WEGB. Look forward to reviewing this one. If you like it, check it out.